Some of the people in the crowd heard him say this.
This man is really the prophet! The Messiah will not come from Galilee! The scripture says that the Messiah will be a descendant of King David and will be born in Bethlehem, the town where David lived.
So there was a division in the crowd because of Jesus. Some wanted to seize him, but no one laid a hand on him. When the guards went back, the chief priests and Pharisees asked them,
"Why did you not bring him?
Nobody has ever talked the way this man does.
Did he fool you too? Have you ever known one of the authorities or one Pharisee to believe in him?" This crowd does not know the law of Moses. So they are under God's curse.
One of the Pharisees there was Nicodemus, the man who had gone to see Jesus before.
According to our law, we cannot condemn people before hearing them and finding out what they have done.
Well, are you also from Galilee? Study the scriptures, and you will learn that no prophet ever comes from Galilee.
Then everyone went home.